Here's a 2015 Lexus NX200T. By combining intuitive technology with a design that is aggressive outside and comforting inside, this NX200T takes the crossover beyond utility. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, electronic shift on the fly, integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, leather steering wheel, and power heated mirrors. Motor Trend states the NX's ride is first class, a strong engineering feat for a vehicle with such a small wheelbase. Luxury awaits in every Lexus. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.